fixing, Darrell?
I don't like you right now.
Huh? What are you fixing?
Somebody decided to scratch up the refrigerator.
Who did that?
I don't know. Somebody who likes Norwex, I guess.
No.
Why are you trying to show it off?
Scratched up pretty bad, huh?
No.
Our brand new refrigerator.
That's so good.
Our brand new LG door-and-door refrigerator.
Door, was this a commercial, bro?
Just letting everyone know the severity of this. We've had this for like maybe 2 weeks.
Yeah, someone got breaking in right, you know what I'm saying? Do it the right way.
Breaking in with some beer, not a scratch.
Oh, that'd be a nice dent. Let's do it.
I hate this man. This man right here. It's funny, because he used his lovely ring to do it.
Why?
This little ring right here.
That I wear because I love somebody. I want all the ladies to know that I'm a taken man. So you best be happy. I'll be scratching up stainless steel. Because I could be one of those guys like, well, you know, I don't want to wear it because it's not really my style, you know, to be a ring person. So, supposed to be using a soft toothbrush, but also we don't have that.
We do have that.
I'm not going to use Lance's toothbrush.
I have one, a spare one.
It's not soft, honey.
Oh.
It's a medium.
True.
It's almost like a cool little hook.
Yeah.
I sort of like that. Maybe we should keep this. That's actually sort of stylish.
Add Maui.
All we need was that little heart. Ooh!
Add Maui.
You're welcome.
This fool right here. This fool right here. Lennox. Tell Daddy he crazy. Say, Daddy, you crazy. Say crazy.
Alright, get your Norwex. Norwex that, sucker.
Get off my fresh polished fridge. Down. Up. Here, let's watch Daddy. Let's watch it. Daddy.
Daddy.
Say, Daddy, silly.
Boy.
Say, silly boy. Say, silly boy.
No.
No. He looks serious. What's funny, guys, is he did this.
Are you not done?
And then he immediately sat down. Probably went to Pinterest. Yeah, we have a banana on the countertop because of her.
Where people are appreciated is not in this house.
Darrell, what's the matter? I'll go the other way. Let's run. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Oh.
Get him.
He went to the bathroom. Oh, it locks.